Hey y'all, it's Victoria from Super Geeked. I went on a super fun adventure this week to go see my good old friend Oliver. If you're new to our channel, then you may not know who Oliver is. He actually is one of the founding members of Super Geeked. So when we started Super Geeked, we wanted to have a platform to be able to celebrate all the things that we get super geeked about, but also all the amazing creative spirits around us. We have so many friends that have amazing talents and do some really cool things that we wanted to be able to showcase those people and the things they are putting out into the world. Oliver has not been active with Super Geeked since October of last year, and he is still very close to the family. He just has a lot of other exciting projects in the works on his own, but I did get to go see him, and so I'm going to share with you the footage from that trip of going to see Oliver. And I did hit a Goodwill on the way home. There's only one Goodwill where he lives. So if you're interested in watching that, then stick around after the credits. So this week I drove up to Hattiesburg. It's an hour north of where I live on the coast, and I got to see Ollie. We went to our favorite local record store in Hattiesburg, T-Bones Records. It's been there forever, but now they're a cafe and a record store. Really cool. Definitely grown up over the years. Then Ollie and I went to lunch, stopped by his apartment for some awesome coffee that you'll get to see in the footage, and then I hit the Goodwill. So stay tuned after the footage to see what I picked up at the Goodwill to resell on Poshmark, eBay, Etsy, and Mercari. And I hope you enjoy.
It's filming now.
Okay. Put my glasses on.
Put my hat on. My hair looks like. Delicious cat night coffee.
I like the paper. It's cute.
Yeah, and the little sticker too. The little sticker. And then they sent me this thing of like all the places that they're going to be. They're doing Oddities Market in Adamstown, PA.
Anywhere close to here? No. New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania.
Trenton Punk Rock Flea Market.
What about Monster Mania Oaks?
Monster Mania Oaks, PA. Pretty cool.
I've never tried this coffee.
We'll try it. I got a sticker too. Okay,
Check out Oliver's plants.
Get my pineapple.
He's so cute.
Little pineapple.
Look how pretty.
That's Benjamin.
Oh, he's got a name?
I don't know.
What are those? Cucumbers?
Yeah. Look at the lizard.
Where?
Right there on the shepherd's hook, down at the bottom. Shepherd's hook, down at the bottom. Down at the bottom. Look.
I don't know what shepherd's hook. Oh. Hi. Oh, he jumped.
Let's see out.
All right, let's see the innards. This is some serious plantery.
I didn't know this was in the garden.
What?
My mask.
Oliver definitely has a green thumb. I do not. And here's this little fish friend.
That's Alejandro.
Hi! Are you dancing again? I didn't know we were dancing.
This is my coffee dance.
Hi! I didn't see you there. This is Oliver, and we're back in my breakfast nook.
It's been far too long.
Far too long. That did feel good, actually. Victoria and I are about to drink some Catfight coffee.
Yes.
Their special edition Night of the Living Dead coffee.
What? You didn't tell me that.
Oh, I forgot to tell you that. Yeah, it's the special edition Night of the Living Dead, and this is Highlander Grog, and you can find them at catfightcoffee.com.
That is amazing.
Shaky. Yeah.
And we got our sweet and creamy.
Sweet and creamy.
Of course we have sweet and creamy. Okay, push that dude.
Push that dude. Push that dude. Push that plunger down. Woo! That's goodness. That's goodness right there. And that's goodness too. You want to see really goodness? Really good goodness? Here we go.
I would spill it.
Here we go. Check it out. Okay. That's yours.
Oh my god, that smells so
Doesn't
good.
that smell good?
I wish I could smell this. Holy sh!
Put it in smell-o-vision. Catfight coffee. We killed it.
Now I'm going to share with you what I got to resell on Poshmark, eBay, Etsy, and Mercari, which I don't know if I got anything for Etsy, but we'll see when I open the bag. Anyway, I did pick up one record at T-Bone Records in Hattiesburg where you saw us shopping, and it is this. It is the Pixies Surfer Rosa. Love this album. I listened to it a lot in the 90s when I was in high school, and it's a wonderful album. If you haven't ever heard it or don't know who the Pixies are, I would highly recommend it. But old classic, I just didn't have it on vinyl, so I did grab that. And then this is what I got at Goodwill when I went. So first item I picked up to resell is this hunter green. I love this color. It's a lace Lulu's dress, about a little bit longer than knee length. I wouldn't say quite midi, but it is new with tags. And I do enjoy selling Lulu's. I think this dress will do really well on Poshmark, so we'll get that listed. And I will add comps too, so you can see how much I am looking to get for these items. The next up were these shoes. I thought they were very vintage inspired and interesting, and the brand is Hotter. I was like, I've heard that brand before. So as you can see, they were $6.99. They don't look like they were ever worn. They have no dirt on the bottoms, no rubbing in the interior. And when I looked them up, the soles were really good. So I grabbed these ladies. You saw in the video that I found 3 pairs of the same Prana pants in different colors. And then first one was this sort of like eggplant burgundy color. These do have tab rolls on them, so they can be rolled up. I think they're hiking pants. Here is the Prana logo on the back. These in this color don't look like they were ever worn. They were maybe one time. And then I did also buy the black ones. Here are the black ones. And these also don't look like they have been worn very much. I think these probably were worn a little bit more than the other ones. The khaki colored ones I did not buy because they were worn a lot. They did have a lot of pilling on the inner thigh and just looked a little more worn out. So I did pass on those because these will probably get me in the $30 range. I was excited to find these. They are a gray wash, high-waisted button front jeans. They are by Mother. Here is the back. They look like an ultra high rise. Now these do have a little tiny bit of puckering, you can see. But I will note that in the listing, and it's really only on this side that it's really prominent. The other side doesn't look like it's puckered. So someone's gonna still want them because when you put them on, they won't have that puckering. And Mother's a pretty desirable jean brand. I've generally sell them in the $50 range with the puckering, so, and that's a cute style, so I grabbed her. This is a vintage cardigan, and what I liked about it was it has the mother of pearl buttons, but it also has these little rosettes on, there's one on that side, and then there's one on this side, sort of diagonal from each other. Really cute, in great shape for being vintage. Here is the tag. So I grabbed the sweater, and then last item I got at that Goodwill, it's kind of funny, but it is this Christmas sweater. I love the colors. I almost wish this was my size. I would keep it. It is by the brand Party Sweater, and it has gnomes and candy canes and deer and gingerbread men and Christmas trees, all the things. So that was the little haul I picked up when I went to Hattiesburg to see Oliver. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was a little different. I like these little sourcing adventures. I haven't done one in a while that was not all about reselling. So this was a fun little video to make, a different little kind of adventure. And I hope you enjoyed it. So if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and turn it gray if it's still red. And be sure to give us a thumbs up on the way out. Let us know what you thought about the sourcing trip and if you would have picked up any of these items or wouldn't have. I always love hearing from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye.